Welcome to Insider Week. My name is Michael, and I'm going to walk you through the weekly process that we follow in order to trade with Max. This video is intended for those that want to sign up as a member to trade with Max. To do that, click on Trade with Me on the website and fill out the information and sign up as a pro trader. Once you have signed up as a pro trader, you'll be able to log in to the My Insider Week membership area. What you'll notice is that there's a basic course that will walk you through the basic information about futures trading. And you'll also be able to walk through the workflow, the COT signals, watch list, trading plans, open trades, trading results, and of course you can also sign up for the additional coaching. What I'm going to do is walk through the workflow so you can see how it is that you trade with Max each week. So the first column here is the weekly activities. These are both Max's activities and yours. The first thing that Max does on Sundays before the market week is he evaluates the COT data and does some analysis on the markets. He'll create what's called a COT map. He will put each one of the markets that he believes there might be a potential trade opportunity for the coming week on here, and those are where the check boxes are right here. You can also look at the watch list. You can also add your own. Once Max creates a watch list, he will also create a trading plan video for the week so you can follow along with the decisions that he's made as to why these particular markets are on his watch list. You'll also be able to follow along with charts that he uses as well. Here's a weekly chart with his buy and sell signals. There's also going to be a daily chart with some other information. So that's everything that Max and you will need to do on Sunday to prepare for the trading week. Now let's shift our focus back to the workflow and talk a little bit about the daily activities that Max goes through, as well as the activities that you will go through as you follow his trades. Each day, when the market closes, Max will do an analysis of each one of the markets on his watch list. He'll be looking for entry patterns, seasonal trend analysis, daily trend analysis, spread analysis, several of the indicators that he uses to make decisions as to go long or short in these markets and when. Once Max does his daily activities to evaluate any potential orders he wants to put in the market for the next market day, he will make those available under the trading plans. Inside the trading plans, you will find the weekly trading plan we already discussed, which is the video about the watch list markets. But then each day, at the end of the trading day, Max will also communicate with all the members if there are any trades or changes to trades that he is making for the next day. So let's take a look at this one. This came out on Tuesday. This will be the plan for Wednesday. One quick note about the weekly and daily trading plans is these are also available on the Telegram channel that you'll have access to once you sign up as a pro trader. So you can download the app for your mobile device and you can be notified as soon as any of the updates are posted, and the same information will appear in both places. In this trading plan, you can see that Max is going to enter an order, a long position with a 1% risk in the cotton market. Now Max has also provided a chart to show us exactly how his bracket order is going to look. The blue line represents the entry price. The red line represents the stop loss price. And the green line represents the profit target price. So the next step for us to do is assess our own risk, because Max's portfolio size is going to be different than yours. To do this, we are going to use the futures calculator. You'll find the futures calculator under IW Tools on the main menu. I'm going to reduce the size of my futures calculator tab here so that I can also put a copy of the order that Max is going to enter next to it. Make it easier for me to enter the values into the futures calculator. I'm going to pause the video while I enter the values into the futures calculator. Okay, you can see here that I've entered the information into the futures calculator for this particular order. You'll notice that the market is COT number 2, which is what Max is entering. It's a long position. As you can see, Max is going long, expecting the price to increase. Here is the entry price, the take profit, and the stop loss. Now, once I calculate this, you can see that my potential profit is a little over $8,600 US. That matches with what Max is showing here on his chart. Likewise, the risk is a little over $2,000 US, which is also what Max is showing on his chart. So I know that I've got my values set correctly here. Now what I need to do is enter my account size. This is my account size. And in this case, I am going to paper trade this. So I'm going to enter $300,000 as my account size. Now when I calculate this, you'll see that it's going to tell me how many contracts I can take on based on my risk. So at a 1% risk, remember Max is going to risk 1%, which is what I want to do too. I'm following him. That means that I can really only take one contract based on a 1% risk, one contract in cotton. So now that I have figured out how many contracts I can take based on my account size, I'm going to need to log into my brokerage account or my charting application, wherever I can get a paper trading or real money trading account so that I can actually place this order. So for me, I'm going to bring up my brokerage account, which is TradeStation. And in TradeStation, I've added a chart here for the December 2024 contract of COT number 2. This is a paper trading account. I set it to $300,000 for this example so that it would match the account size that we set in the futures calculator. So let's take a look at the entry price, profit, stop loss. We want to enter that trade in this market. The limit price is going to be, if I want to sell it, I'm going to sell at the limit price of $96.75 for profit. And my stop is going to be set at $75.28. All right, so that should be everything. I'm going to confirm my order looks good. Again, if the price goes above $79.46, it's going to put this order into the market with a limit price of $79.46, sell it at $96, stop at $75.28. Let's send that order in, confirm it, and now you'll see here on my chart is the order. So now the order is in the market, and depending on the price in the coming days, it will either be executed and I will be holding a position, a long position in cotton, or there's a potential that Max will cancel the order if it doesn't execute in a few days, and he will notify everyone in the Telegram channel and on the website. So if your order does get triggered and you're in the market, it's going to result in either a profit or a loss. And one great feature that all the members have access to is the trading journal. So if we go back to the members area, under documentation, you will see the trading journal button. And this will allow you to enter your own trades that you did while you followed Max. And what that will show you is the same thing that he publishes on the main website. It's exact same format. You just enter in all of your trades, whether they're demo account trades or they're real money trades. You can enter them in. You can see your equity curve based on that, your profit and loss by week, profit and loss by quarter, your short and long ratio by profit, and probably most important is you can actually look at your key metrics. So you can see what your profit factor is, your number of trades, your winning percentage, and you can compare those with Max. So this will give you a good indicator about how well you're doing in your trading. And again, if you want to improve that trading or want to learn more about the COT strategy, also you can go into the coaching program, and there's a coaching program that Max provides that you can buy at an additional cost that will go over all of the theory, all of the strategy, the entry patterns, how he moves stops, everything that he does, he teaches. And so I highly recommend that you take a look at that and you check that out. I have benefited greatly from it. And then one last thing I want to say is that please remember that risk and money management is the key to success in trading. And I wish you great trades. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.